As it has been told, now the cases in Jammu division have been increasing, and also the mortality. See, and now at the level of Government of India, the whole genome sequencing has been carried out. So what is happening is we are trying to correlate those things, the increasing number of cases and the whole genome sequencing data. Preliminary, we can say that because we are earlier the UK variant, the South African variant and the Indian variants are all becoming prevalent in Jammu division as well. And it is well known fact that the Indian variant is more infectious and leading to more mortality. So preliminarily we can always say that it is one of the leading cause why the cases have been increasing and also the mortality has been increasing. Secondly, with the lockdown, it definitely will help in containment of the infections. But at a similar time, we need to be very cautious that the COVID appropriate behavior has to be maintained in the market areas whenever the markets are open. We are still finding that the people are not following the COVID appropriate behavior. The social distancing is not been followed. The mask is not been properly wear. So these are another reasons why infection is increasing. So not only the health government but also the people should cooperate to contain this spread of the infection, and then it will also help us in reducing the mortality and morbidity by COVID-19. So it is required that both the people and the government need to work together to contain it. Now the death analysis, mortality analysis has been done few days back also. When we do it, we also find that around 20 to 30% of the cases who are getting admitted, the mortality is 30% within 24 hours. There are almost 10 to 12% who are getting who are brought dead to the hospital. So mortality, you cannot just say mortality is because of the lack of infrastructure. Mortality is also because the people are not aware. They are reaching hospital at the very late stage. So the people should be taking care. Of course, the administration also is following up with the cases. They should reach in time. Everybody now, what is happening? They are getting them treated at the home. Who are following them? Are they aware of the data which they are giving, or the information about the health they are giving to the administration or the health department, whether it is true? Because it is mostly happening in telecommunication as well. So
कश्मीर पैट्रियट चैनल बहुत अच्छा काम कर रही है। मेरी बेस्ट विशेस इनके साथ हैं। आप लोगों से गुजारिश है, इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और शेयर कीजिए। बेस्ट ऑफ लक।
We tell stories that are rare. Stories where we become your voice. Stories which matters to you. Sense, not sensationalism. News that truly impacts you. We are looking for facts, not opinion. No agenda, but a simple policy of fair news. We don't debate or discuss problems, but solutions. Anything and everything that matters to you.